How to turn on auto scroll on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now if you want to auto scroll, you can just make a long press on a particular video and you can see different menus over here. So simply drag it and here you can see the option of auto scroll. So that's how you can auto scroll your videos on TikTok. But if you do not have that option, you can simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the hamburger icon. Select on settings and privacy and simply scroll down and here you can see the option of report a problem, so tap on it. So as you tap on report a problem, what you can simply do is you can express your issues over here. So you can simply tap on the option of account and profile maybe, or rather you can just go for interaction as well. So I'm going to go for account and profile and then I'm going to tap on manage account. So you just have to express. You can select whichever option. Let's just start by questioning over here. You can just tap on it did not help you and then go back and you can simply just tap on chat with us. So here you can just have a chat over here that you are missing the option of auto scroll. So if you can help, then you can just do whichever way possible you can help to get auto scroll. So you can just submit it and the team will definitely help you out. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.